Most people get this wrong. They think all credit builder tools work the same, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a card without understanding how it actually reports to credit bureaus and builds your history over time. In this video, we are comparing Discover It Secured versus Chime Credit Builder in 2026, so you can clearly decide which one fits your financial situation. Let's start with the basics. Both options are designed for people who are new to credit or rebuilding credit. They help you build a credit history by reporting your payment activity, but the structure behind each one is very different. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Discover It Secured card works like a traditional credit card. You deposit money up front, and that becomes your credit limit. So if Alex puts down $300, that is his spending limit. Every time he uses the card and pays it back on time, that activity is reported to all major credit bureaus. Over time, this helps build a strong and structured credit profile. It even offers cashback rewards, which is rare for secured cards. But here's the problem many beginners face. You need upfront cash for the deposit. If you do not have savings ready, getting started can feel slower. Now let's look at Chime. The Chime Credit Builder card works differently. There is no traditional credit line. Instead, you move money into a secured account, and that becomes your spending power. So Jake can load money from his Chime account and use that balance to make purchases. The key difference is that it removes the idea of debt and interest completely. But here's where things get important. Chime focuses on simplicity and low risk. It does not require a credit check, and there is no interest because you are using your own money. It is designed for safe credit building rather than rewards or upgrades. Now, let's compare both step by step. Discover It Secured is better for building a traditional credit profile. It offers cashback rewards, strong credit reporting, and a clear upgrade path into unsecured credit cards. Chime Credit Builder is better for beginners who want zero risk, no interest, and full control over spending. It is extremely simple and beginner-friendly. In a minute, I'll show you a quick rule that helps you pick between these two in under 10 seconds based on your financial habits. Now, let's simplify everything. If you want long-term credit growth, rewards, and a traditional credit card experience, Discover It Secured is the stronger choice. If you want simplicity, no interest, and easy budgeting control, Chime is better. Let's summarize clearly. Discover It Secured builds a more traditional and powerful credit history with rewards. Chime Credit Builder focuses on safety, simplicity, and controlled spending. Both are effective, but they serve different types of users. If this helped you understand Discover It Secured versus Chime Credit Builder in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit comparisons like this.